Hey, seventh graders, today is lesson 13. We are using proportions in our scale drawings. So, do you guys remember what scale drawings are? Remember, scale drawings are things we use to show on a small piece of paper what the actual size of something is. Okay, so we can use scale drawings to show that, and we can also use proportions to help us find the actual size of the scale drawing that is in our book. All right, so let's start reading. It says scale drawings represent actual buildings or other structures on reduced or magnified scale. The scale is given as a ratio, all right? So we know that a ratio would be something like 1 centimeter equals 50 meters, or 1 inch is representing 1/8 of an inch. To find the actual size of the item in the scale drawing, set up a proportion to solve. All right, and we're going to show how we do that. It says on the scale of 1 centimeter to 50 meters, how tall is a tower that is 3 centimeters tall in a drawing? So what we do is notice the ratio they give us. It's 1 centimeter to 50 meters. So that is our left side of our proportion. That is what we know. We know that if we measure it, we know that 1 centimeter is going to represent 50 meters. So we write this as a proportion, just like that. And we want to know how tall an actual building is that measures 3 centimeters as a scale drawing, okay? So we're going to put our 3 centimeters down here. No, right? We're going to put our 3 centimeters right up here. And then this is what we're trying to solve for. We want to know the actual height of our building. So if we go 3 times 50, which would be 150 meters, divided by 1 would be simply 150 meters. The actual tower is 150 meters tall. Okay, same thing with the next one. On the scale of 1 inch to 1/8 inch, how long is an insect that is 2 inches long in a drawing? All right, the other thing I should have mentioned, I think I did, but scale drawings don't just show big buildings reduced down to a scale drawing. They can also show really tiny insects, and they can magnify them, make them a little bigger so we can see them better. That's what they're doing in this next problem. So we know that 1 inch is going to represent 1/8 of an inch. So we write that as our proportion, 1/8 of an inch. And we want to know how long is an insect that is 2 inches long in a drawing. So we're going to put our 2 inches up here. And then again, we're just going to times. So we're going to go 1/8 times, remember? So if we have a whole number, we simply just put it over 1 in fraction form. And we can go 2 equals 2/8. And we can reduce that to 1/4, all right? So the actual insect is only 1/4 of an inch long. So that's really, really tiny. But in our scale drawing, it showed it larger than that, probably because so we could see it better, all right? So you guys are gonna go ahead and do numbers 1 through 3, set up your, the ratio that they give you. So for instance, in numbers 1 and 2, they say 1 centimeter represents 3 centimeters, okay? So that is going to be your left side of our proportion, right? So we're going to write that as our proportion. 1 centimeter equals 3 centimeters. And then you guys are going to have to measure to find your answers for that, all right? That's all for your new part, and you guys have no star problems in today's lesson. You guys have another problem on the page 31 with a scale drawing. And that is all for your lesson. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you later.